Alright fellas, today we're going to be unboxing Hatsune Miku figure, alright, by Figurisma, Hatsune Miku, DE Monster, T.R, okay? Here we go. Got the figure right here. Got a nice side view. She looks looking very cute. You know what I mean? I love the art design that they have right here. Very, very cute. I saw this in a figure store and I was like, I gotta get it, dude. I gotta get it. Here we go. We got the top view right here. We're gonna start off from the top, but first we gotta disinfect it, okay? You gotta get all the, you gotta disinfect the knife, okay? Disinfect the knife. Make sure everything's nice clean. You want to get it clean. You want to make sure it's a clean knife, all right? And then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of this. All right. Yeah. You need heat, sanitation. You gotta heat it up. All right, here we go. Start from the top. Boom. Boom. Okay, third one. Boom. Got it nice and open, fellas. So I'm gonna take off the top. Boom. There we go. We got it right here, boys. Yeah. They got him. Boom. Here we go. We got the tail. We got the tail right here. Looks pretty good. Plug this. Wait, what the? Like this? Oh, yep, like that. Okay. Cool. So we got it connected like that. We're gonna. Oh, right here. So on the back. Boom. Got the tail connected. Where's the, there we go. This is pretty cool. I like this. Absolute fun. Pretty nice stand. We got a nice box stand, square. Looking pretty good. Boom. So here she is. Looking pretty fire. Looking very cute, very nice. Would make a nice addition to my collection of figures. Very, very cute. Very nice, gentlemen, very nice. And here's the mouth of the megaphone. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty nice addition to it. Pretty good figure. Very cute. Yes. Now here's her standing next to the box. Pretty decent size. Yeah, let me keep it like this. Very, very nice. And now we can add her to my case with all my other Mikus in it. Very nice, very nice. So, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.